this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a camshaft position sensor on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located on top of the engine. Let's get started. We're going to start off by opening our hood and making our way to our engine bay. Here's the number 4 ignition pack. We're going to locate our camshaft position sensor. It is held down by an 8mm bolt. We're going to remove the clip first. Push down on this black tab and slide the connector out. Inspect for any corrosion or damage and set it aside. We're now going to remove the bolt. Break it free using your 8mm. Now work the sensor up and free. And there it is. Now to install our camshaft position sensor. Before we do, we're going to lubricate our O-ring with some clean, manufacturer-approved engine oil. Apply it all around the O-ring. Insert it into the valve cover. Push down until you hear it click. Hand thread on your bolt. And snug it down. And torque it down to 89 inch-pounds. Once everything is tight, reinstall your connector. Ensure you hear the click and make sure it's secure.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.